Hello, this is registered respiratory therapist Khalil. Today I'm introducing the Jockfan 2018 Smushable fan blades. What I mean by smushable is, as you can see, this fan blade, it's only 13 millimeters long, but it's made of a flex filament, enabling protection, prophylaxis of a testicular puncture, even though we have a mild layer of a grid grill protecting the testicles. And we also have this material for the fan blades, which is kind of newfangled. They'll literally smush down into 100% flatness and then recoil almost like a spring. So let me show you, we'll demonstrate here what we're looking at. These red motor shafts, I have a gray one here, will be encasing the fan blade for the rough prototype. And as you can see, these fan blades, as I can demonstrate, are totally, totally smushable like that, flexible, malleable, whatever you want to call it. And when they rotate, they rotate very fast and maintain their position underneath the mild layer grill. Let's take another look at that. So as you can see here with this fan blade, I'm gonna go in with the light and you can see how I just smush it down. So this is not saying technically exposure to your testicle will be on the now not metal fan blade, but now flex filament fan blade. It's just explaining that the flex filament is an extra precaution that will achieve the testicular blowout, the testicular ventilation, as well as prophylaxis if one were to fly loose and the whole device was dismantled. Let's take another look at it. As you can see, we lost one. We haven't gotten to the adhesion yet, but I want to pull it off just to demonstrate this. Take a close look. It's almost like a lotus, a blossoming tulip, blossoming Khalil. Look at that. Amazing. So tune in. Jockfan is a one-man labor of obsession, and I'll be persevering with my smushable fan blades into 2019 and beyond. Jockfan.com, Khalil.